Alright, guess who's back in Stockholm? Yep, that's me. Beach Adventures with Chris are back in the capital city of Sweden and Scandinavia, Stockholm. After 4 exciting days of Eurovision / Beach Adventures in Malmö and Skåne region, I'm back to Stockholm now on this wonderful sunny Monday, 13th of May. 23 degrees Celsius in the air, so it's 10 degrees warmer than yesterday. And yesterday I was on the south of Sweden, that is 5 to 6 hours train ride from here, so I don't really understand how is it warmer in Stockholm, that's way up more north than Malmö. But yeah, I can't complain. It's very nice to take a bike ride with just bib shorts and a bib shirt without any extra layers, and it was a nice bicycle ride all the way here on this nice weather. And I already checked the temperature, and it is so far the warmest I have been into in Sweden this year, 12 degrees Celsius in Lake Flaten. So I am shocked but also happy about it, as I'm gonna be staying a bit longer in the water today. So I am now in the Flaten Nature Reserve on the same named lake of Flaten that I have visited 3 times before this year already. On the other side you can see Stora Flatenbadet, the big Flaten beach, and also Varmbadet Flatenbadet, the children beach, and also Lilla Flatenbadet in that direction. But now I'm more on the more peaceful and nature side of the lake, and there are so many beach spots on this lake that I'm gonna be showing you throughout the year. And on this very spot I was here last year, so I'm gonna put that link at the end of this video if you want to compare how it was. But I'm so happy right now to be back in Stockholm in this wonderful weather for a nice swim here in the lake. It is beach day number 34 today, and we keep on going until there is until the snow comes and everything is frozen. And yes, I really like my new sunglasses. What do you think of them? They costed 9 euros in the outlet Synsam in Malmö. So it was a very good purchase, that one. Amazing. All right, what else? Yeah, the nature here is so beautiful all around. It's a nice way here. The only thing about natural wild beach spots are that they are not so suitable for children or for people that are not confident in going into the water from these rocks. But I am very much into this type of beaches, so for me it's not a problem at all. Amazing. It feels like summer, and 23 degrees, it's probably as high as it can get. Okay, I'm now overreacting. It can get up to 30 in Sweden, but only for 2 or 3 days per year. So this is what we call summer in Sweden. Look at that, look at the water. Amazing. Okay, 12 degrees, feels quite good. The water is so nice indeed. Let's see which way I will get in, because these rocks are a bit slippery from all the algae coming from Lake Flaten. Let's see. Amazing. All right, we are going down for a swim in Flaten Lake on this 13th of May, wonderful Monday, right now. Amazing. I love this. So beautiful. So nice feeling and very peaceful in the nature that I see right now. So beautiful. Amazing. Alright, that's a wrap from this natural rocky beach on Flaten Lake in the Flaten Nature Reserve. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!